More than just witnesses, they were architects of history. This is the untold story of the 15 women who helped shape the Constitution of India. History often remembers the prominent men who drafted India's constitution. But standing beside them were 15 formidable women, battling patriarchy, social barriers, and deep-rooted inequality. Their contributions went far beyond words on paper. They shaped the soul of a nation. Their legacy stands on 4 powerful pillars: radical diversity, social justice, global vision, and future foresight. Together, these pillars form the foundation of a truly inclusive constitution. These women were not a monolithic group. They came from different religions, different castes, and different lived experiences. This diversity was their greatest strength, ensuring the Constitution spoke for all Indians, not just a privileged few. Begum Aizaz Rasool, the only Muslim woman in the Assembly, firmly opposed separate electorates, choosing unity over religious division. Dakshayani Velayudan, the only Dalit woman member, brought caste discrimination to the forefront of national debate, shaping Article 17, the abolition of untouchability. For these women, the Constitution was not merely political, it was moral, it was transformative. Untouchability, Dakshayani Velayudan declared, is a sin against humanity. Their aim was clear: a society where dignity was guaranteed to every citizen. They challenged injustice at every level. Amu Swaminathan fought caste discrimination and child marriage. Renuka Ray pushed boldly for women's rights in inheritance and divorce. Durgabai Deshmukh, the mother of social work, strengthened India's judicial and welfare institutions. They ensured freedom had meaning in everyday life. Their vision extended far beyond India. Hansa Mehta reshaped global history, changing the words, "All men are born free," to "All human beings are born free." Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit carried India's democratic voice to the world, becoming the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly. India emerged as a global voice for equality. These women did not speak only for their time. They debated governance, identity, and power with remarkable foresight. Their words remain strikingly relevant in modern India. Annie Mascarenhas supported strong governance, but warned against excessive centralization of power. Begum Aizaz Rasool cautioned that religion-based reservations could divide India permanently. Their warnings were not temporary. They were prophetic. From the formation of the Assembly, to the adoption of the Constitution, to global human rights movements, their influence did not end in 1950. It continues, shaping India's democratic journey into the future. They did not just witness history, they wrote it. And as India continues to evolve, we are called to honor their bold, inclusive, and just vision.
এতিয়া আমি চাব লাগে যে এই টপিকটোৰ ওপৰত কোৱেশ্চনছ আহে কেনেকা আৰু এইকেইটা কোৱেশ্চনছ তোমাৰ একেবাৰে ইউপিএসসি লেভেললৈকে হয় তো প্ৰথম কোৱেশ্চনটো চাবা যে হাউ ডিড বেগম এজাজ ৰসুল ইনফ্লুৱেন্স দ্য ডিবেট অন মাইনৰিটি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্টেশন অপশনছ কিটা দিয়া আছে তোমাৰ সন্মুখত যোনে যোনে জানা মোক আনসাৰটো দি দিয়া আনসাৰৰ অপশনটো তলতটো দিয়াই আছে সেকেন্ড কোৱেশ্চনটো হ'ল চোৱা এতিয়া হাউ ডিড দাক্ষায়ানীজ ভেলায়ুডনছ ৰোল শেপ the Indian Constitution. A question to option kitao diya ase aru tar answer ro tolot diba bhai. Third question to hold how did Hansa Jivraj Mehta contribute to India's global human rights legacy? We'll see you with some more interesting facts about the Indian history and Indian politics. See you in the next video.